it's Morgan with WTI.
These smart Skylight shades from Graywind are so awesome. I love these because of the accessibility. You can use it in so many different ways. You use this remote, and then you can have it either battery operated and charged or solar power, which is incredible. And since these are smart blinds, that means you can use them with any of your smart devices to control it as well, which makes it so incredibly convenient. They look so good and sleek in our bathroom, and I just love that style of the honeycomb blind. It comes with all of the things that you need to install, and we were able to install it in a good amount of time. And the solar power option is incredible, so you don't have to keep climbing up to charge it, but instead you can just use the power of the sun. It was pretty simple to install, just putting it up there against the window and then using that USB to plug it right in, and it worked right away. It is really, really awesome. And it's so nice to be able to just use that solar power to continually energize and charge. It looks really nice and it's quite hidden beneath the panel as well. So it's not an eyesore in any way. It works so easily, so well. Definitely love that part of it. You could tell that it's really high quality, and being able to put it up in that skylight where we no longer have to touch it, we can just use the ease of the battery operation or the solar power of the remote to use it is so awesome. It looks really, really good. This is the white color. The light control is so awesome. All the different options with being able to pause it, put it halfway, whatever you need. It looks absolutely stunning, and we are so happy to have it.
And that's my point of view.